Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Gizmo Guru. Today, we'll be doing a full review on the Royal Kludge RK61 full mechanical keyboard. I'll give you a couple tech specs, and then I'll give you some opinions, things I like and then things I don't like about it. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, as you can see, this keyboard is very compact, so that part is really nice. No space was wasted on it. Now, as far as battery life goes, battery life's advertised as 13 hours. It is also full Bluetooth, and there's also a little dongle so you can plug it into your computer. I don't like that it isn't USB-C or have the option like an adapter or something, because most things now are USB-C, so that part would be kind of nice. Now, a few other specs. So this keyboard here has a full backlit. Now, it's not RGB, so it only comes in this blue color. Now, the keyboard itself is available in a black color as well. And I would say a few things that I don't like about it, other than that dongle, would be, it would be nice to have a 10 key on it, just for like numbers, that kind of thing. That would be nice, but doesn't have it, not a deal breaker in my book. So, yeah. Very good keyboard. Now, as far as would I buy this, do I think it's a good value? I think this keyboard is a great value. You know, for being $49.99, most mechanical keyboards like this are going to run you well over $80 in most cases. So this being on the cheaper end definitely makes it a good contender, and build quality is great on it too. I've had this for about 2 months and I really have no complaints. It does what I want it to do, didn't break the bank, and I think it's a great responsive keyboard too. So yeah,